Hello food fans, today I am at Kentucky Fried Chicken and I have some Kentucky Fried Chicken, one big piece and one piece that's just not very big at all, two-piece meal, and I have mashed potatoes and gravy and coleslaw and a biscuit and a medium Pepsi. Pepsi used to own Kentucky Fried Chicken, and it was spun off with Taco Bell, I believe, and Pizza Hut. And that company is now called Yum Brands, Yum Foods. Let's try some of this. What is this? It's made of plastic and hard to open. That's what it is. And it's raining today, by the way. This is Saturday, about 5 days before Halloween. And I gotta get something to eat this with. And I've got it right here. It is a spork. I don't know if sporks have a cartel or not, but we'll get this out of the package. And there it is. And the coleslaw at Kentucky Fried Chicken has always been quite delicious. I'll take a nibble. It is very, very, very good coleslaw. And now, try the biscuit. It's a pretty good sized biscuit, and it's flaky looking. Very, very good. I don't know if you can see the clouds outside. Try some of the chicken. Very delicious recipe they have. Wonder how many pieces of chicken Kentucky Fried Chicken has sold over the years. Perhaps trillions. It's a possibility. Very good chicken, and the coating on the chicken is quite delicious. And we'll try the mashed potatoes and gravy. I used to live in Kentucky, and we had 2,000 chickens, sold eggs, and we had chicken to eat for supper a couple nights a week. And my mom cooked better than Kentucky Fried Chicken does. But Kentucky Fried Chicken does taste good. Mashed potatoes and gravy are quite warm. Not like homemade fried potatoes. Which can be eaten with or without gravy. Coleslaw gets a 10. out of 10. Let's see if we can look out the window here, show you some of the clouds out there. I don't know if you can see them or not. Get the light back on me and try some more chicken. If I were going to have a food franchise, I would probably start up something brand new. Maybe have beans and cornbread, chili, different foods that people like that are not now fast food franchise favorites. This is very good chicken. Next time I go to Kentucky Fried Chicken, I'll have to find out if they have a dessert. They probably do. All is going well for me. I've been wondering if I should start a TikTok identity. Or how long it would take me to become a TikTok millionaire. Turn this, we'll get more light on this. Halloween 5 days away. A little over a month till Thanksgiving. Or maybe about a month. Christmas, New Year's. And all the holidays that come about 2 months from now. 2020 should be a good year. The crunchiness of the flour coating on the Kentucky Fried Chicken is quite delicious. More Pepsi. When I was a kid, Pepsi was my favorite beverage. Having some work done on one of my houses, house number 2. I'll probably move into it sometime next year. Getting some siding done. white meat chicken is quite delicious. Moist enough. I don't know exactly how they make Kentucky Fried Chicken, but there are YouTube videos that will tell you how. In case you want to make your own at home. It wouldn't be real Kentucky Fried Chicken, but it might taste a lot like it. I don't really know how much this cost. Probably about $8, I think. For right now, I think the best eating out bargain is at Ryan's Buffet. But Kentucky Fried Chicken might have the best coleslaw. That's a very good possibility. And the mashed potatoes and gravy is still very warm. Real mashed potatoes and gravy would taste better, or as I said before, fried potatoes, not French fries, but just fried potatoes. Fried potatoes go good with chicken. Now get the tiny little piece, the wing. Cost of gasoline here right now, $2.35 a gallon, 235.9. Actually 2.359. They should get rid of the 0.9. 0.9 made sense. When gasoline was 16 cents a gallon, and you charge 16.9. But at 235, it's kind of silly. And I send out my sympathy to my friends and former neighbors in California for the $5 gas prices out there. This chicken is good too.
Kentucky Fried Chicken tastes good. I think I would prefer it to hamburgers. But it depends. Hamburgers are good now and then. I really don't go out to eat all that much. It might seem that much with my videos, but maybe once a week I'll eat out. I do most of my own cooking. See if we can see outside any better here. The biscuit is good. Right over there. A pretty face in the middle. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for watching.